One bright March morning, I bid New Orleans adieu. I was on the road to Jacksontown, my fortunes to renew. I cursed all foreign money, no credit could I gain, and it left me heart longing for the banks of Pontchartrain. I stepped on board of a railway car beneath the morning sun. I rode the rails till evening and laid me down again. All strangers there, no friends to me, till the darker toward me came, and I fell in love with my Creole girl on the banks of Pontchartrain. I said, me pretty Creole girl, me money, here it's no good. If it weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out in the wood. You're welcome here, kind stranger. Our house, it's very plain, but we never turned a stranger out on the banks of Pontchartrain. She took me to her mammy's house and treated me right well. The hair upon her shoulders in jet black ringlets fell, to try and paint her beauty, I swear it would be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl on the banks of Pontchartrain. I asked her would she marry me. She said this would never be, for she had got a lover, and he was far to see. She said that she would wait for him, and faithful she would remain, till he'd return for his Creole girl on the banks of Pontchartrain. Oh, fare well, me bonny home girl, your face I shall see no more, but I'll never forget your kindness in that cottage by the shore, and that each soul shall gather in a golden glass I'll drain, and I'll drink